The universe is vast. It's bigger than you can imagine. In fact, it's even bigger than what you can possibly imagine. It stretches out in every direction, filled with billions upon billions of stars and galaxies. When we try to grasp its sheer scale, our minds are truly humbled. It's a cosmic ocean of mystery, waiting for us to explore its depths. Are you ready to embark on a journey through the cosmos? We'll start right here in our own solar system and venture out to the very edge of what we can observe. Along the way, we'll encounter incredible wonders and mind-boggling concepts. Fasten your seatbelts. This is going to be an unforgettable ride. Let's begin our journey close to home in our very own solar system. This is the neighborhood of space that we call home, a vast and fascinating collection of celestial bodies bound together by gravity. This is where we live, our beautiful blue planet, Earth. It's the only place we know of that harbors life, a unique oasis in the vastness of space. It might seem big to us, but it's just a tiny speck in the grand scheme of the universe. Our solar system is just one of billions in the Milky Way galaxy, which itself is just one of countless galaxies in the universe. Our sun, a giant ball of burning gas, sits at the center. It's a medium-sized star, but it's absolutely massive compared to Earth, containing 99.86% of the solar system's total mass. Around it orbit 8 planets, including our own Earth. Each planet has its own unique characteristics and orbits the sun at different distances. The distances between these planets are vast. For instance, the distance from the sun to Neptune, the farthest planet, is about 4.5 billion kilometers. It takes light, traveling at an incredible speed of about 300,000 kilometers per second, over 8 minutes to reach us from the sun. This means we see the sun as it was 8 minutes ago. If we were to shrink the solar system down to the size of a football field, the sun would be like a dime at the center. The planets would be tiny grains of sand scattered around it. Earth would be a tiny speck of dust orbiting just a few feet away. This perspective helps us understand just how small we are in the grand scheme of things. That's how much empty space there is in our cosmic neighborhood. The vast distances and the emptiness between celestial objects are truly mind-boggling, reminding us of the incredible scale of the universe we inhabit. Now, let's zoom out beyond our solar system and into the Milky Way galaxy. Our galaxy is a massive collection of stars, gas, dust, and planets. It's shaped like a giant spiral disk, with long arms spiraling out from the center. Our sun is just one of hundreds of billions of stars in the Milky Way. If you could see the Milky Way from above, it would look like a giant, glowing pinwheel. The distances involved are staggering. Light from stars on one side of the Milky Way takes thousands of years to reach the other side. It's hard to even fathom the sheer number of stars in our galaxy, let alone the possibility of planets orbiting them. Our Milky Way galaxy is just one of many galaxies in the universe. In fact, it's part of a small group of galaxies called the Local Group. The Local Group contains about 54 galaxies of various sizes and shapes. One of the most notable galaxies in the Local Group is Andromeda. Andromeda is even larger than our own Milky Way. It's on a collision course with our galaxy, but don't worry, it won't happen for another few billion years. When they do collide, it will be a spectacular event, with stars and gas clouds mingling and rearranging themselves. Now let's zoom out as far as we can go. Imagine starting from our beautiful blue planet, Earth, and moving outward into the vast expanse of space. Imagine traveling at the speed of light for billions of years. This journey would take us through countless star systems, nebulae, and galaxies, each more wondrous than the last. Eventually, after an almost incomprehensible distance, we would reach the edge of what we can see from Earth. This boundary is known as the observable universe. This is the observable universe. It's a vast, awe-inspiring expanse filled with countless celestial objects, all bound by the limits of what our telescopes can detect. It's a sphere with Earth at its center, and it represents the limit of how far we can see into space. This sphere is defined by the distance that light has traveled since the beginning of the universe. The observable universe is estimated to contain trillions of galaxies, each a massive collection of stars, planets, and other celestial bodies. Each galaxy contains billions or even trillions of stars, many of which may have their own planetary systems. That's an unimaginable number of stars and planets. The sheer scale and diversity of these celestial objects are beyond our wildest dreams. And keep in mind that the observable universe is just what we can see. Our current technology limits our view, but it doesn't limit the universe itself. There might be much more beyond this cosmic horizon, regions of space that remain hidden from us because their light hasn't reached us yet. The light from those distant regions hasn't had enough time to reach us yet. As we continue to explore and develop new technologies, who knows what wonders we might uncover beyond our current cosmic horizon. How do we know all of this about the universe? How can we possibly study something so vast and ancient? One of the most important tools astronomers use is the cosmic microwave background radiation. This faint afterglow of the Big Bang is like a baby picture of the universe. By studying the patterns in this radiation, scientists have been able to piece together a remarkable story. They've learned that the universe began as an incredibly hot, dense state about 13.8 billion years ago. Since then it has been expanding and cooling, eventually giving rise to the stars, galaxies, and planets we see today. Here's a mind-blowing fact. The universe is not static, it's constantly expanding. This means that galaxies are moving away from each other over time. The farther away a galaxy is from us, the faster it appears to be moving away. Imagine baking a loaf of raisin bread. As the bread bakes and expands, the raisins get farther apart from each other. The universe is kind of like that, with galaxies acting like the raisins. This expansion is a fundamental property of the universe, and it has profound implications for our understanding of its origin and evolution. Beyond the observable, the great unknown. While the observable universe is vast, it's likely just a tiny fraction of the entire universe. Remember, the observable universe is limited by how far light has had time to travel since the Big Bang. What lies beyond that horizon? We can only speculate, but the possibilities are truly mind-boggling. Some scientists believe that the universe might be infinite, extending forever in all directions. Others speculate that there might be multiple universes, each with its own set of laws of physics and constants of nature. These ideas are still highly theoretical, but they highlight just how much we still don't know about the true nature of reality. The multiverse, a tapestry of universes? The concept of the multiverse is one of the most intriguing and controversial ideas in modern cosmology. It suggests that our universe is just one of many universes, possibly an infinite number, coexisting in a higher dimensional space. Each universe might have its own unique properties, like bubbles in a cosmic foam. While there's no direct evidence to prove or disprove the multiverse theory, it's a fascinating concept that captures the imagination. It raises profound questions about the nature of reality and our place in the grand scheme of things. Are we just a tiny speck in an infinite tapestry of universes? The possibility is both humbling and awe-inspiring. Our place in the cosmos. As we contemplate the vastness of the universe, it's natural to feel a sense of awe and wonder. Our planet, our solar system, even our galaxy are just tiny specks in the grand scheme of things. Yet despite our insignificance in the cosmic order, we have the remarkable ability to study and understand the universe around us. We are a species with an insatiable curiosity, driven by a deep desire to explore the unknown. From the ancient astronomers who charted the stars to the modern cosmologists who probe the farthest reaches of the observable universe, we have always been drawn to the mysteries of the cosmos. The never-ending quest for knowledge. Our journey through the universe is far from over. Each day we venture further into the unknown, driven by an insatiable curiosity. In fact, it's just beginning. The more we explore, the more we realize how much there is still to discover. With every new discovery, we uncover more questions than answers. Each piece of data, each image captured, opens up a myriad of possibilities. The universe is full of mysteries, waiting for us to unravel them. From the birth of stars to the formation of galaxies, every phenomenon holds secrets. The study of the universe is a humbling experience. It puts into perspective our place in the grand scheme of things. It reminds us of just how much we don't know and how much there is still to learn. The vastness of space is a constant reminder of our limitations and our potential, but it's also an incredibly exciting time to be alive. Every breakthrough, every new piece of knowledge brings us closer to understanding the cosmos. We live in an era of unprecedented scientific discovery, where technology allows us to see further and clearer than ever before. With powerful telescopes and sophisticated instruments revealing the secrets of the cosmos at an astonishing rate, we are constantly pushing the boundaries of what we know. The future of astronomy is bright, filled with endless possibilities and potential discoveries that could change our understanding of the universe. And the next generation of explorers will undoubtedly make even more mind-blowing discoveries inspired by the achievements of today. Pushing the boundaries of our understanding of the universe and our place within it, they will continue the never-ending quest for knowledge, driven by the same curiosity that has always propelled humanity forward.